Sir, we have a situation here.
What's the status?
Unidentified aircraft just flew over our ship. Dangerous maneuvers.
How did it not show up on the radar?
We believed it was a friendly A-10 Warthog in the region, but we were wrong, sir.
Do we have radio contact?
Negative, sir. No radio contact.
That cocky son of a bitch. Do we have eyes on it?
Radar shows it's coming back.
Then you are clear to engage.
But sir, according to regulations, we're not allowed.
That aircraft is a national threat. Prepare to engage the hostile.
Roger. Activating a close-in weapon system. Safety off. Firing! Bogey went supersonic. Unable to handle it, sir. We need to step it up.
Fire the SM-2 Block 3 SAM now!
Yes, sir. Firing a SAM. Direction 319530. Target locked. Firing! Target down. I repeat, target down. Bogey, rest in peace.
Ah, I love the smell of democracy.
What'll we tell the world?
An unfortunate accident during a training exercise.